reaction, and everything in between.
Nucleic acids are essential biomolecules found in all living organisms. They are made up of smaller building blocks called nucleotides, which consist of three parts: a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. There are two types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid stores genetic information, while RNA or ribonucleic acid plays a key role in converting that information into proteins.
DNA is famously known for its double helix structure, a discovery credited to Watson and Crick. Imagine a twisted ladder. The sugar-phosphate backbone forms the sides, while pairs of nitrogenous bases, adenine with thymine, cytosine with guanine, form the rungs. This complementary base pairing is critical for DNA replication, ensuring that genetic information is accurately copied when cells divided. An example of DNA replication in action is how your skin cells regenerate after a cut. DNA provides the instruction for new skin cells to form and repair the damage.
Unlike DNA, RNA is a single-stranded molecule that takes on multiple roles in the cell. There are three main types of RNA: mRNA or messenger. Unlike DNA, RNA is a single-stranded molecule that takes on multiple roles in the cell. There are three main types of RNA: mRNA or messenger RNA. Carries genetic instruction from DNA to ribosome. tRNA or transfer RNA delivers amino acids to the ribosomes during protein synthesis. rRNA or ribosomal RNA, a co-component of ribosomes when proteins are built. Together, these RNA types work like a team to translate genetic information into functional proteins. Real-life applications. A great example of RNA in action is the creation of proteins like insulin, which regulates blood sugar levels.
Nucleic acids aren't just limited to cellular functions, they're also transforming science and medicines. For example, DNA fingerprinting is used in forensics to solve crimes, while CRISPR technology enables scientists to edit genes precisely. RNA has also played a crucial role in the development of vaccines, such as the mRNA vaccines used during the COVID-19 pandemic. These innovations showcase the limitless potential of nucleic acids in improving our lives.
Nucleic acids are the foundation of life, storing and transmitting genetic information while powering scientific